Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick wheel swap on this 300ZX from the new Nightburnerz 5-pack. I've got this run and run. It's a spare 300ZX that I picked up. We're just going to do a wheel swap with the base, so metal base. So let's just get right into it. Let's get this mess cleaned up real quick. So I usually take a file and I'll file off where it's a little uneven here from the drill. I'll try to carefully do that without damaging any of the exterior paint. So we got the Nightburnerz apart. Let's go ahead and take the run and run apart. So we're going to take the metal base with the wheels onto the Nightburnerz 5-pack. See if I can do this without damaging the paint. Yep, there we go. So the Run and Run Premium has a black interior. The Nightburnerz 5-pack has a gray interior. We're going to go with the black interior. I think it just looks better. And the Nightburnerz 5-pack has kind of a smoked glass. The Run and Run has clear, so we're going to go with clear. It just looks better. So go ahead and let's clean up this mess again. So we got a Run and Run, clear windshield, black interior. So you guys can see that. And we're just going to put it back together now. metal base, real riders. Pop it in. Nice clean install. We'll put it on the turntable there so you guys can see it. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.